Hi YouTube, I'm Patrick. Welcome to our new house. This is part 2 of 4 parts on how I built the kitchen. This episode is going to be about the stainless steel counters, which are 3mm thick stainless, and I'm going to show you how I welded it all up and got a sink, welded it in, and show you how that goes. So make sure you subscribe so you can catch all 4 parts of the series. And make sure you guys catch up by watching part 1 up there. Alright, so now let's go back in time. I'm going to show you how I welded in this sink and how I connected up this second piece and made it all one unit. So here I am just marking the center of this sheet to cut it for the small little table. So I use a floppy disk to buff the edges of the counter so there's no sharp edges, and then I round over the corners as well. So here I'm just drilling 4 10mm holes to mark the corners of where the sink's going to go, and then I will use the jigsaw to cut out the hole in the plywood. So Corey got this stainless steel laundry sink for $30. And what I've done is, I'm going to do the same thing I did in the tiny house, is I've cut off all the metal edges around it. And this was like this, something like that, you know? So I cut all the edges off. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to straight weld it into the stainless counter that we're going to have in our kitchen. Come on, I'll show you what the kitchen looks like at the moment. So I've peeled the protective paper away, and I'm just prepping the edge to get ready to tack the sink in. So on the kitchen counters here, this is 3 mil thick stainless steel, so it's very, very solid stainless. And this is just a protective covering on it so it doesn't get easily scratched or anything. So this is me and my buddy Graham lifting off the whole counter to get it all welded up completely. And it was a bit of a mission to try to figure out how to do it without breaking all the tacks, but we managed to find a way. So we pull off the boards we used to get it off the counter, and then we are now just going to place some clamps everywhere to make sure that this doesn't warp when we weld it. So now that everything's fully welded, I can begin to polish these welds out to make it look very seamless and just basically the same as the counter is. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. You don't want to miss any cool videos. Make sure you guys check out our website if you are interested in a cool kitchen like this, because I can give you a free quote. If you have any questions, put it in the comments below. Catch you next time. See you later.